What's going on, traders? Welcome back to a daily recap. Hopefully you had a good weekend. I had my birthday this past Saturday. I had a good time with my family, and I'm glad it's Monday. And today was an interesting day. 2 trades for me. It was not very clear. Well, I don't want to say clear. There was not very good setups in my opinion. It was just a weird trading day. 2 trades, 2 wins, $400 in the bank. So pretty happy about that. But let's go over the trades. So when I came in around 7:30, this daily candle was very bearish, and it kind of told me that we have a break, a new lower in place. So possibly continuation to the downside, or maybe some kind of reversal to the upside, because we do have a break and a new low in place. Very unclear, but as the day progresses, I saw that the price action was more in a range than downtrend. So when I switched to the 2000 tick chart, I saw basically this bearish downtrend channel, and I saw a break and a new low in place. So I don't really have this range in place just yet. I just have my overnight high marked. That's it. And the first opportunity I saw was around 8:18 pre-market. We have a new high, first entry low and second entry low failure. It's a nice failure. It failed below the EMA, which is great. You do have 2 legs up played out, and a nice little signal bar. It's a solid failure, and you notice how it ticked higher and then reversed. So a good failure here. Probably got a scalp out of that as well. Nice little trade. I didn't trade it. And then my first trade. So basically, the price kind of started jumping, between these 2 price levels. So I kind of marked the range a little bit, and then price bounced off a low trend channel here, and worked way up. And basically I have a short-term trend channel working up here, and then break a new high played out. And then I didn't have this trend channel just yet, so it was basically like this. So break new high played out. I don't really see any setups here. There's a higher low here, but the signal bar is kind of neutral. And the price kind of just chopped sideways for a little bit. And then you have basically confirmation of this bigger trend channel here with this swing. That's when I drew my trend channel like this. And then my first trade of the day is second entry long. Pretty much a classic setup. It's at 2 key entry points. It's at EMA and the trend channel, or the bottom of the trend channel. It's a solid signal bar. I mean, it's a perfect signal bar. And the only problem is that the short-term trend channel didn't work out. So I was waiting for a break and a new low, and then I wanted to go low. Long. Jesus. But you do get kind of 2 legs down. So again, solid trade in my opinion. And again, I didn't have this trend channel or range channel yet. But as you can see, once I drew it later, it bounced off the midline as well. So basically at 3 key entry points: midline, EMA, and the trend channel. So, and then you get a higher low right here, which I didn't notice until afterwards. So, but the problem is you're going long into recent highs, so you might not have enough room to get out. But regardless, it worked out. And of course, you have a break, and you expected a new high, and there was a failure, second short failure here. Again, notice how the trend channel is working up, break, and a new low. So again, you're not really looking for shorts anymore. New low, first entry short, second entry short failure. You have enough room to the EMA. You do have to watch out for the midline there, so it's a little bit dangerous, but it is a 7 tick bar, so fairly low risk. So if you took that, that's great. I didn't take it. And then price kind of went in this range again. It is I guess a triple test, you know, 1, 2, 3 here, but the signal bar wasn't that great. If it was a little bit more bullish, I would have taken it, but to me, I didn't like that. So it is aggressive, but again, break new low played out, so you're still expecting a new high from, you know, from this trend channel. So again, the context is good. The signal bar for me wasn't that great, but it is bounced off the midline as well. So I mean, if I don't know, again, if it was a better signal bar, I'd have taken it, but you know, if you did, that's great. So price keeps working up, and again, you got to break a new high. You got to break a new high of this channel, and you have a break a new high from this bigger channel. So again, uptrend has played out, so you should probably thinking of going short. And I don't really see any setups in here. And the price just kind of keeps going up. You know, it doesn't get below this midline. And so once I saw the swing here, I kind of thought, okay, maybe, you know, maybe we could go to the overnight highs, which is this dotted line right here. That's exactly what the price did. I didn't see anything here that I like. There's a higher low here, but it's a huge bar for me. It's 17 or what, 22 ticks. I can't take that. That's just too much risk for me, but it is a higher low. The thing is too is like, you don't really, I mean, you don't, I guess you can draw it this way. You gotta break a new low played out. So maybe, I don't really see a channel here, but you could probably take this. Then again, I don't really see anything that I like here. And then price bounced off this. I was looking for a triple test actually, you know, 1, 2, and then 3, but to the downside, but never got a good signal bar, and then just price just broke through that level and just went up. And over here, that's why I drew my another uptrend channel here, because it confirmed over here. So it fits pretty nicely off the highs and then lows. That's why I drew my trend channel here. And the price kind of broke through overnight highs and kind of went back down below the overnight highs again. Didn't really see anything that I like here. You do get a break. I don't know if you can see that break and a new low played out, and you get a higher low. I was thinking about taking this one just because you have a break and new low played out, but you're going long into overnight highs. That could be risky. It is a big bar. It's 17 ticks, so like I could have maybe got a few ticks lower, but I don't know. I wasn't sure, and when I'm not sure, I don't really take trades. So the price can just jump in between, you know, this level is going sideways for a little while, and then my second trade for the day is basically a failed signature long, signature short. You have a break and a new low expected, and then that's break of structure. So that's when I had actually this trend channel like this off of these low. It confirmed here and then confirmed here. So then it confirmed again here, and that's basically when I wrote break of structure. Basically it broke down through these this trend channel, went up again, and then went down. That's what I was looking for. I was actually looking for this scenario actually here, but never happened. So again, failed signature long, signature short, good signal bar. I liked it. The only thing I don't like about this is you're going short into recent lows. So that's the only thing I don't like about it. But technically speaking, breaking new high played out. You're expecting the price to come back down to this range. And again, I still didn't have this range just yet, as you can see from my trading video, my trade videos. I haven't had it yet. But then when this break and new low happened, that's when I drew my range channel here. because this is to kind of confirm the midline. You can see throughout the day that, you know, confirmed here, here, so it fits nicely. That's why I drew my 10 channel here, and of course you get a failed second entry short here, and that's it really. That's how I saw it. To be honest, not many good setups. Again, second entry short failure just because you have break a new low. You might have maybe enough room to the EMA, maybe not. It is a bit risky, but the context is good. And then kind of break, never got a new high, and you have a little short-term trend channel working here. Again, break a new low. Second entry short here, good signal bar. The problem with this is you go in short into the midline, and since the midline confirmed many times, pretty risky to go short in that midline. So, but it worked. So, and of course you get a basically like a fade or failed breakout from the midline again, breakout pullback. So I like this one. This is only 10 ticks, fairly decent risk. This one's 15 ticks, so a good way to fade, and especially when break a new low played out. So at that point I was done with the trading. 2 trades is good enough for me, and that's it. So pretty much a range day. As of right now, I'm probably expecting, well, I was expecting a measured move, basically looking like this. But I don't know if we're gonna get that. Doesn't look like it. So, but I do expect the price to come back to the overnight lows, which is this level right here. Yeah, that's it from you guys. Hopefully you got a good day. Stay safe, trade cautious, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.